Coco Nyanga dey sleep, oh Jeruma go wake am, na waiting she dey find here. Na wahala she dey find. Yes, so Messi Ayebe don show us the owner, and he say the owner na Brother Shaggy. My correct people them. Fighty don burst on top plastic nyach. Hey, wahala no be cover shoe wear so. Hey, wahala don burst on top plastic nyach yo. My correct people them. Una know say Chloe everything for her body she fix am. Make I show una her before and after picture. Make una see. My correct people them. So this picture where she stands so now her before picture, so this one now after. My correct people that everybody knows say Chloe get one of the baddest body when you talk about celebrities, so they don't do plastic surgery. My correct people them no be small thing. So this her body I don't know say don't they enter many people you. But before we enter that side first, make a yarn one the cocoa. My correct people after Chloe go do her body finish, she can't carry one cream they sell say na body oil. She can't they sell and so they think they move for her because many people can't look say we know Chloe how Chloe be before now. For her to they sell this thing and be say OMG the thing go walk by. Now they can't they buy before just me lover can't open her nyash. Then people can't say oh Chloe, so na plastic surgery now you go do. Now you can't they deceive us. They say that they call her liposuction and be waiting a while. Alright, so now then Chloe can't talk truth, can't tell us all the places where she don't do plastic surgery. Now she can say her neck bone checked, bobby checked, waist check, nyashio check, hipsio check, color, because even her cheek checked. Now wash by on herself.
Body shape, collarbone, boobs full, waist snatched, hands fat, hips legit, face chubby.
So as many people take, admire the nyash we make them they buy that her oil and being and which been they sell and so Jeruma too we be the Kayamata mama come follow admire them. If like say she don't go ask Chloe, say may show him the plastic surgery because Jeruma nyash no set at all. You get one video where she Regina Daniels even do where people come they monkey her say say the plastic surgeon we do and that nyash he said the man no mean well for him at all. Alright, so my correct people them all the comments for that video been be about Jeruma nyash. Alright, so make I read some of them for una. Make una see how the thing shell. Alright, the first person here say which kind nyash Jeruma carry like this? Abi she gum the thing. The second person say Adi Bajan Iji. I beg wanna leave me. The third person say falling nyash. The fifth person say I beg who see the bomb. The fifth person can say I can only see the nyash. What is this? Now the last person here can say botched. So it be like say even Jeruma self they bother her. So she go meet Coco, say may show and would do her nyash. Coco no go show her because it be like say they been don't get beef for the past. So make I start to read how the agbege start to the shell for inside social media. Alright, so as it still start here. Jeruma say please which plastic surgery did Coco's body? Coco admitted to having surgery, but she has never tagged or mentioned her plastic surgeon. I have seen a lot of bodies, but honestly, Coco's doctor did the best. She was so skinny. He told her to go and add weight before surgery, and he did a great job. Jeruma was fat for 2 years, and doctor said I should go and lose weight before plastic surgery. First, no one told me to go add weight. I used at Coco by Chloe beauty syrup. I went to my surgeon with a flat AC and a small belly. Second, no one knows my surgeon. Don't let anyone trick you and chop your money. I am the only one who knows how I achieved this body. Until I am ready to talk about it, don't be fooled. Which yeye doctor said what which? And Jeruma, keep my name off your mouth, cause you know all you said about me previously. Go find your own doctor. Now while Jeruma, after she don't cast for Kayamata selling for Dubai, now na Chloe body, now he won't use they do influencing for another doctor. No, even the doctor will do Chloe surgery so that people go there blindly, go spoil their body. Okay, Chloe Constance say, how can you speak bad of someone and say you hate them only to ask for her surgeon? I don't get. Make it make sense to me, ma. Cause I don't know what part of stay your lane ya all don't get on this fake life platform. Anyways, all fans that went astray, come back home. Welcome. Naito way Chloe Constance say, at this point, I know you're all obsessed with me. May everything God created work in my favor. May the camp of my enemy collapse, and they shall feed off their own flesh and blood from their generation to their last generation. Bless those who bless me, curse and condemn those who think or speak ill of me. In as much as God liveth, and I never think or wish anything bad to anyone. May my enemies witness destruction in their household. May they all burn on earth and burn in hell fire. May goodness depart from them. Now what? Well, if that prayer na for Jeruma, na be say they waste your time. Or you don't forget say Jeruma get a course breaker which they sell for her Kayamata. She also get favor oil which they sell for her Kayamata. Ooh, I love in Swahili. So my correct people, I see the picture where she get mine post of Chloe, where we say nothing even dey her body. Na me even help Chloe matter self, where I even cover an emoji. You say Coco did it in Nigeria. This is not Miami. This is not Nina's plastic surgeon. This is Nigeria. She goes to write again, Doctor, have you seen Jeruma's comment section? 669 people want you to do their bodies for them. That's 669 customers from Jeruma. Please hit Jeruma up and reach out to Jeruma for a massive shout out on Insta Blog Nigeria because you deserve serious accolade. Well done, Doctor. Sweep left for more pictures. The thing continued to the pain Chloe Okoshikosi say, as today is the day 62 of 70 days fasting and prayer. On my knee of prayer, Jeruma, may all the curse in the Bible and Quran be upon you and your offspring till eternity. May you be a disgrace and strip off all your clothing, both physical and spiritual. You have chose to be a bastard. May you cry and nobody will console you. Ugly biggie with your smelling body. Now, wow, my correct people, them. This one pass forward. Which one way you can't go? They add the offspring inside. I don't get that. Tonyanga they sleep. No be trouble. Go wake up. Now wait till they find wahala. They find you. My correct people, then wahala we cover show no be small thing. No, Messi, you better they talk the owner. They give her flowers. She say the owner. They give her ring. She say the owner. Now today she dey tell us say the owner. Now him be brother Shaggy. Wahala no go be cover show. This one no be a matter of mother and zonzo. Alright, so my correct people, then when I know now, I say brother Shaggy mother na really young. If you see and say go be like say she and Messi say they could be mate. So my correct people, then when I know Messi here now, she will not come out till come they talk about the owner, and all of us we have been anticipating. Oh, they wait to see the owner. Now today they come they tell us say na brother Shaggy be the owner. See the time when she will say finally I said yes to the owner. Thank you God of many chances. When I know say she been not married 2 times, where she can't divorce. Alright, so my correct people, them no be small thing. No, she follow right say my joy knows no bound. Abeke Ayo the owner. So my correct people, them when I know say this her last marriage. The first one person don't know how she let then maybe she was not a celebrity, but this second one the thing don't shell certainly they drag themselves go court. The thing shell oh my correct people them that one no be story what go tell una now, that one a story for another day. But yeah, the man don't find love again, no. And they say the love wey him find na for the arms of him worker or person wey dey work for a hotel. Now he find love for her arms, and she don't carry belle. They don't even do their traditional marriage. So yeah, my great people them, even though Mercy and your baby don't cry me a river, say the man no want sign divorce papers. So but I'm sure say him myself go need sign divorce papers now, especially now where he don't go marry another woman. Because if he no sign, na him he go quickly work against him if his wife go sue am for bigamy. Now today, my great people them, Mercy Aiyebe compose her brother Shaggy jack am up, say ladies and gentlemen, behold the owner can't hide it anymore. Please, no one should come with I am older. This is matter of the heart. Just be happy for us and move on. First of all, introduction. Brother Shaggy can't comment for under, can't laugh, can't put two left emoji, can't say my baby. 9 people come provocation and say, madam, you feel born am. I don't know what is going on with Nigeria British. The second one can say, wow, if this is true, I am really happy for you, my Edo sister. When there is love, age is just a number. Enjoy yourselves. The last person here can say, no be Shaggy wey talk say him be virgin be this. Alright, another set of comment. The first person here can say, it's better we join hands together to warn Shaggy before he ruin his life like Ijesha. Shaggy, don't move close to these women. I dey warn you because I can see it coming. Bro Shaggy saga. So the second person can say, bro Shaggy, you better be careful of all these overexposed ladies like my sister Mercy. I'm only advise you because I don't want you like to be like those in the past. A word is enough for the wise. The last was gonna say, I pray it's true, Biko, and it should bring the both happiness. My great people, they want to talk this very mattress. Some don't think go far. The ones where congratulate, don't congratulate. The ones where they want Shaggy, they don't want Shaggy. Just also I see for comment sections, those kind comments. Now they popular well for inside this thing what they tell that so. But the people I say now move you because me I can't carry my above van. I can't go brother Shaggy story. Now I can't go see say it be like say now move you. It be like say this now movie set. See them. Many of them wear those uniforms. No be only Mercy Aiyebe and brother Shaggy. It is a movie. So some of una when una done already the day emotional. May una cool down, may una calm una emotions down, yo. It's only a movie. Yes, so the honor day for where the honor day. Mercy Aiyebe never ready to show us the honor yet. This is just a publicity stunt. They just want to find way where they will promote this movie. So they want to do something controversial. I think, that's my take. But that one no means I did 100%. So, and I just think and I feel say it be. I just love it with that. Alright, my correct people them. Una thanks for watching. Una stay beautiful. Una bye.